Hi, I'm Jeff. I get it. You might be feeling a little powerless and helpless. It's completely understandable to me because I've been there myself. Now, I can give you a little bit of hypnosis that'll quickly clear this up if you believe. And one more thing, you must begin to trust and believe in the power of your own skills. Your skills are what will resolve your depression. Now, I want you to relax deeply and listen to my voice with no resistance and no contradiction. This is the true nature of the quantum universe energy, electrons spinning around energy points. Now, I believe we're high in the sky already. We're spinning in space. We're on a planet that's circulating the sun once a year. We're way out there in space. Realize that every cell in your body has these atoms and molecules spinning electrons, same as in space. It's the same game. Einstein said that particles appear as waves as well. They can shoot through anywhere in the universe all at the same time. Shift your identity at will. You are high in the sky already because you're part of this oneness, this great unity with the universe, the energy process. The energy inside you is incredible. Release your bound up energies and become one. You're okay, you're fine. You're high in the sky and you're not depressed anymore. I'm Jeff Dodd signing out, over and out, and I hope you got the message. You can shift your identity, you can become one with the universe, and I'm certain these new skills, these realizations will solve your depression.